First, follow what you see in the video. Remove those 2 screws and then take off the motorcycle seat. Next, take off the right saddlebag and the right side panel, then open the battery cover. Now take out the product and install the heat shield according to the positioning shown in the video. Then, follow the instructions in the video to secure those 2 screws. Use the 2 screws you just secured to install the fan. Next, remove the decorative button under the motorcycle instrument panel. Take the control button from the accessory pack and install it under the motorcycle instrument panel where you remove the decorative button. Connect the wire harness and then tuck the wire harness under the fuel tank decorative panel. Now, test to see if the fan runs properly. Finally, put the battery cover, motorcycle seat, right side panel, and saddlebag back into place,